Is it possible to win a DUI case? Absolutely. Otherwise, there wouldn't be lawyers in that field. The DUI cases are often done by officers who don't know the law or make mistakes, or you're not guilty of the crime. The officers didn't have the right to stop you or contact you, then the case can be thrown out. It won't matter what your blood alcohol level is. We've had cases where the client's been arrested when they're sleeping in their car on the side of the road in the back seat, but they're not driving under the influence, so therefore the case gets dismissed. But if you don't have a lawyer, you might go to court and just plead out because you feel guilty that you drove a car after drinking alcohol. So it's definitely something you can win, and it's all based on the facts of the case and what the officers did or didn't do. But oftentimes the prosecutors don't even look at the facts as much as they look at the blood alcohol level and file charges, even though there's not enough evidence for them to stop you or arrest you. There's lots of opportunities to fight it based on the law, but there's also lots of opportunities to fight it based on other factors. And talking to the prosecutor, you can even get the charges reduced to something less than a DUI based on factors more about your life, based on the evidence and how difficult it is for the prosecutor to prove a case. The prosecutors have to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt to a jury. And that's a pretty high standard. A traffic ticket is an officer tells the court what happened, and the court decides whether or not to believe the officer or you. And generally, they're going to believe the officer. In a jury trial, they have to decide whether or not they've proven every element of the crime beyond a reasonable doubt. And if we can call into question one element of the crime, a reasonable jury will generally not convict you.